Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today let's get started of how we can actually do this process if you ever tried to move a video file from your Windows laptop to your iPhone using just a USB cable. It's not a simple drag and drop process. Apple's restrictions may be difficult, so I'm going to show you two ways how we can do this element much more faster. So you can just copy the video on your phone's folder through the Windows File Explorer. To successfully transfer large video files using a cable, we must use Apple's official method, which is the iTunes file sharing feature. So this method doesn't put the video into your main Photos app immediately, but it's the fastest, most reliable way to get a file into your phone storage. So first of all, let's install the iTunes and file sharing application. So you must have an iTunes installed into your Windows laptop. If you go directly here into Microsoft Store or the Apple's official site, you need a code to install iTunes. So usually here it says download iTunes. So I select this element. It says the downloaded, get it from Microsoft, and this will be opening this new element that says download. So just like that, iTunes will be downloaded directly into my computer. So I choose the installer, I select it, and I go for install. Just like that, it says initiating the download, and we are now making the installation of the actual iTunes. So I'm going to wait a few seconds till the application has now been successfully installed, this application, and see what we can do in order to continue. Meanwhile, I'm going to focus from my desktop and I try to locate the actual video that I would like to send to my actual iTunes or iPhone, which in my case it would be actually this one. Okay, so now that we have installed this element, we need of course to check out the license contract. We need of course to use the option that says continue, agree the terms of services, and we are now directly inside the actual iTunes. So I'm going to accept this element. And next, into your iPhone, you need a caution application that is compatible with the iTunes file sharing. For example, the BLT media is perfect for videos and it's completely free. So you can download it before we can continue with this actual process. So I'm going to be connecting my iPhone to the laptop using an actual USB cable. Unlock your iPhone and type the option that says trust this computer when prompted. So in order, of course, to verify this element. So when you open iTunes, once the iPhone is recognized, click into the small device icon near the top left corner, that it might be appearing somewhere around here. You can see now that it might be appearing into your file section. So particularly what you need to do, of course, is just to open iTunes. Once the iPhone is recognized, you click into the small device icon near the top left corner. So usually just click into the file sharing and you will see a list of apps on your iPhone that supports this feature. Now you browse into your laptop folders, find the video file you want to transfer, and the video will immediately transfer across the device BLC application to the iPhone. Now just in case this one is not appearing, just in case this one does not recognize your phone, the other thing that you can do to make this process much more faster without having to use a USB is by going directly inside the iCloud photos. So if you open iCloud.com and you go into the section that says photos, you go for the option that says library, you go for this option that says upload, and here into upload, what I need to do is just type the desktop element, and I choose all the archives and I go for open, and just like that I select the actual element that I can just import right away. So this is one method that is going to be really simple for a specific images or even a specific videos. The third option that I can give you, just in case the iCloud, the iTunes does not support help you, is to send this specific element directly to even WhatsApp. So into WhatsApp, for example, I'm going to sign in. I'm going to locate, let's say for example, the element that says send a message to myself. And directly into myself, I look out here for the option that says send. Here I go for a document, really important that is document. It's going to be really important to choose not an actual video, because sometimes this will be sending you, let's say, low resolution. This doesn't work really well. restrictions when you send this actual video to your iPhone. So I'm going to be sending this element, and the video will be sent right away directly into my phone. So what I just need to do is just to click into this element that was sent right away, and just like that, it will be appearing now into my computer, appearing now into my phone. This actually works for iPhone, from Samsung and Opus, and so much more. So basically, those are just a few elements of how we can actually send this directly with the actual transfer, just in case via cable didn't work and you couldn't put this through your iPhone element. So you can let us know in the comments below what you think about this, all the methods. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and well, hopefully with all this being said, we can see you next time.